Starting affiliate marketing can be broken down into a few key steps. Choose a niche. Select a topic or area of interest that you are knowledgeable about and passionate about. This will help you to create content and promote products more effectively. Choose a platform. Decide which platform you will use to promote affiliate products. This could be a blog, YouTube channel, social media account, or any other platform that allows you to create content and share it with an audience. Join an affiliate program. Find affiliate programs that are related to your niche and join them. Some popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank. Choose products to promote. Once you have joined an affiliate program, select the products that you want to promote. Choose products that are relevant to your niche and that your audience is likely to be interested in. Create content. Create content that promotes the products you have selected. This could be blog posts, product reviews, social media posts, or videos. Promote your content. Share your content on your chosen platform and promote it to your audience. This will help to drive traffic to your affiliate links and increase the likelihood of sales. Monitor your results. Keep track of your sales and earnings to see which products and strategies are working best. Use this information to optimize your content and promotional efforts. Remember, affiliate marketing takes time and effort to become successful. Keep creating valuable content and promoting products that your audience will find useful, and you will eventually start to see results.